Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the market cap on the Yahoo Finance. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find a bunch of lists of the stock of the companies just like this. Now tap onto one of the stocks that you are interested in just like this. After tapping on it, scroll down and here you can find the key statistics options right here. Now to find the market cap, here you can find it right here at the middle. You can see the market cap. Market cap of this Tesla company is 1.29 trillion. And now you can see the market cap of other stocks of the companies doing the same process. And that's it. This is how you can find the market cap on the Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.